everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Okay, so this is the reading for Geminis. Okay, for the current situation they are dealing with, what are they feeling currently? It may be related to career, it might be related to your relationship. Okay, so what they are going through. Okay, so yeah. But before that, I just want to tell you guys that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to learn 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so first we'll be taking out the cards, and then we'll be using clarifiers. Okay, so what you're dealing with currently. Oh shit, sorry guys. Okay, so yeah, the Hangman, Eight of Swords, Eight of Pentacles. Wow. The Hierophant in reverse. Okay. The Hermit. Wow, cards are popping up like anything, guys, in your reading. Wow. Okay. It might be related to career, guys, might be related to relationship. Okay, so yeah, we'll be using clarifiers later, Geminis. Okay, so yeah, and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Okay, so yeah. Okay, Geminis, you have a stuck energy. Okay, you're waiting for something, some sort of money to be released or to take back money. You are waiting for your finances to be better, but there is a lot of stuck up energy when it comes to your financial life, because it seems that you work hard a lot, you really work hard a lot. Okay, but the way money comes, it is not satisfying. Okay, you don't get that much of money as much as you put on your work into this in a particular work, into a particular situation, or into a particular career, into a particular job, into a particular business. Okay, so some sort of waiting game is going on, because you are really uh, have a stuck up energy when it comes to your financial materialistic world. Geminis, you are feeling confused, and at the same time you are really trapped into your head. You are feeling very much conflicted. Conflict is going on between your heart and head. Okay, like between your heart and head. Okay, and you are really worried about something. Why? Because someone, either someone left you out in the cold, or you left someone in the cold in the past, and now you are really worried about it, thinking about it, really sad about it, confused about it, don't know what you are supposed to do, whether you want to stay, whether you want to proceed further. But those memories are killing you somewhere, okay, inside within yourself. Okay, I can see that there is some sort of an offer is coming. It can be either relationship, it can be either career. We will be clarifying it later on. But yeah, some sort of an offer is coming towards you. Some sort of an opportunity is coming towards you, definitely. Okay. I can see that someone here is indecisive. I think there is some sort of traditional marriage, engagement, or some sort of a particular relationship is involved, a spiritual connection is involved, and I think someone is really indecisive, someone is really worried about how to move forward, whether which path they should take, which direction to proceed further, and whether they should stay into the same situation or they should proceed further. So some sort of something related to marriage, a commitment, a relationship, a connection is not working out, okay? And that's why I think someone is being indecisive here, okay? Someone cannot take any decision, someone cannot make a decision because they are not getting any clarity into their head. Someone is really indecisive, okay? I feel that someone is stuck up when it comes to a movement, traveling. Someone wants to move forward into their life. Someone wants to travel to a new destinations, geographical locations, okay? But there's a lot of stuck energy, and it might be related to a pandemic situation, whatever is going on around the world, around the globe. But someone is really stuck up when it comes to traveling issues, okay? So yeah, let's use our clarifiers. What is this hangman doing here? Okay. Sorry guys, my cards are popping out. Okay. So guys, I think there is a lot of conflicts going on into the external world or inside your head, okay? Lot of fights were there in the past. A lot of stuck energy was there in the past, okay? Conflicted energies I can see, okay? There's some sort of wish fulfillment is there. This relation, this connection somewhere makes you happy, okay? But at the same time it is making confused because someone left you in the cold, or someone you left out in the cold, and but this is your wish fulfillment, okay? But at the same time no one is taking action when it comes to this connection, okay? Because you are guarding up yourself, they are guarding up yourself, themselves. You both are protecting your intentions, thought processes, and just analyzing yourself, just not listening to anyone. At the same time you are being emotional when it comes to this particular situation. You think a lot about this particular situation, about this person, about this connection, okay? More than a career thing, I can see few of the people have a finances issues, okay? Some sort of conflict, some sort of money related issues are definitely there. But for others of you Geminines, I think that this is particularly about a connection, about a relationship, I guess, okay? So yeah, someone is guarding up themselves because they don't want to confront something, or they don't want to hurt their heart anymore. Someone is at the same time emotional, okay? So yeah, oh my god, so many cards, sorry guys. Okay, yeah, someone has to make a decision. A solid decision is coming, okay? A karmic cycle is ending, a solid decision is coming to a particular situation. Yes, there is lack of stability when it comes to this connection. That is what you feel, and I think you have to make a decision, a particular decision, whether you want to stay with the same in a same hermit mode, or you want to move forward, okay? You want to reconcile with this connection, okay? So those situations, those decisions are coming into your life. Someone wants to move forward, but at the same time the past is trying to come back into your life, okay? A past mess, the past person whosoever left you out, they want a new beginning with you, a solid new beginning they want. They see you as an opportunity into their life, okay? At the same time you want to move forward into your life, but past is trying to come back. You must be getting past memories, past person's messages, text. Your ex is messaging you, your ex is might be texting you, okay? And some of you might be involved in a marriage but in a separation currently, and now they are coming back, they are coming out of that separation, okay? So yeah, you are trying to move forward, but this person, whosoever it is thinking about you and trying to come back. They want a new beginning. You are feeling confused, conflicted, whether you want to stay into this energy or you want to move forward into your life. For some of you, you are really heartbroken, shaken up. Yeah, there might be some text going on. Text, you will receive some sort of text messages, and from this person a news, a offer of love. Okay, you might be receiving it, but at the same time you are feeling very much heartbroken when it comes to this connection. It might involve a third party situation as well in for some of the Geminines. Okay, and that's why you want to move forward, you don't want to stay into this energy anymore. But yes, there is some sort of element is going on for the moment. You will be, you know, a solid communication is about to take place for you guys. A solid decision you have to make in the upcoming weeks for you. Okay, when it comes to this connection, I think three different energies that I'm getting in the love reading. This is basically a love reading. The first one is third party situation. The second one is past is trying to come back and want to move forward with you, a new beginning with you. The third type of energy I am picking up is that, you know, someone is not, you know, moving. There's a stuck up energy. Someone just wants to move forward into their life, leaving the past behind. Whatever, you know, bygones are bygones. So yeah, that is the feeling. Some whosoever left out in the cold, like, you know, if there was a separation in the past, then, you know, now you are, you know, coming out of that thinking. Okay, okay, you're working on to your pentacles. You are thinking about your pentacles. Okay, you are thinking about yourself, independent energy. You are just working hard towards it. Okay, yes, major rebirth is happening. Okay, you don't want to take, like, if someone is coming back, you will be like, you are no more interested into that person. You are just trying to come out of this situation and you just want to focus on yourself. You are thinking about your self stability, self awareness, self love, and a major rebirth is about to happen for you guys. Okay, so yes guys, very heavy energies guys. Like, you have three kinds of different energies, three different storylines are going on with Geminis here. Okay, so yeah, take whichever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, so yeah, what universe wants to tell you. Wow, cards are very good popping out. Your energies are very good guys, keep it up. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so guys, you are, you know, working hard on yourself, understanding and realizing the situation about yourself, self love, self care, self awareness. You are all about yourself. You are integrating to the higher source of spirituality, to the divine. You are integrating to the divine. Okay, so you are really understanding the situation. Okay, and that's beautiful. I am thinking where I need to keep this. So yeah, okay. The second is morality. Morality is all about, oh wow, okay. So the morality is all about that divine is interfering into this, you know, situation. If you are a karmic partner with your person, then karmic cycles are ending between 29th of July to 31st of July. Okay, and if you are a twin flame connection and were in separation, then you will be reconciling. If you are a soulmate, then things will be going on in a better level. Okay, things will be improving. You decide which kind of partnership you are dealing with. Okay, so yes, God is telling you to letting go. Let go of the past situations, past connections, past life memories, past problems, okay? And just move forward. With 8 is all about moving forward, letting go of the situation and moving forward into a new life, new beginning, new transformational life. So a lot of endings will be happening this month and a lot of new beginnings will be happening in the month of August, okay? You decide which type of connection you are dealing with. If you are dealing with karmic cycle, definitely karmic cycles are coming to an end. If you are dealing with karmic partner, those cycles are released and the relationships are coming to an end. Twin flame connections will be reconciling and soulmates will be, trying to improve their connections into this connection. Okay, so yeah, transformation. You are going through some major breakthroughs, major transformation, new beginnings, new horizons. You are understanding the facts about your life. What are you supposed to do? How you want to lead your life? How you want to move forward into your life? Okay, so you are understanding a lot about this, and you are ready to transform. You are going through a lot of internal transformation right now. Okay, you must be having weird energies, confused energy, conflicted energy. At the same time, you must be confused about what's going on into your life. Okay, so this kind of energies you will be feeling, but at the same time you will be reaching to a divine level of spirituality, higher level of spirituality. Okay, so transformation is going on currently. Okay, so this will be good because endings and new beginnings are waiting for you. Ending has started and new beginning will start in the month of August, guys. Okay, so yeah, Gemini's, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is the reading for Gemini's, and kindly comment down below did it resonated or not, and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, guys.